In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix File Explorer preview not working. The file you're attempting to preview could harm your computer issues. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Now first we need to understand why this is happening. So with the Windows 11 25H2 update and an October 2012 security update, Microsoft changed how the preview pane works for files that were downloaded from the internet to originate from untrusted sources. Now these files often carry a security tag called Mark of the Web, MOTW in short, which appears when a file is downloaded from the web, received via email, or from some network shares. Now, Microsoft does say that the block is intentional. It's designed to prevent security risks, for example, exposure of NTLM credentials when someone merely previews a file in Explorer. So the error isn't always a bug, it's the usual sense. In the usual sense, it may be by design and circumstances. Now, how to fix this issue? So if you trust the file and the source and you want a preview pane to work again, here are some workaround methods. So we can unblock the individual file. So say for example, this is the file here that has the issue. So I can go ahead, right click it, click into properties. And now at the bottom of the general tab, you'll see a checkbox or a button called unblock if the file has that MOTW on it. Or also we've got unblock here. So just go ahead and click on unblock if the file has that. Yeah, so from here, go ahead and click on apply and OK. Then go back to Explorer and see if the preview works. But do take note, this works for one file at a time. Now, another thing what we can try is go down to search and type in PowerShell. So we need to get into Windows PowerShell. Here it is here. So open it up. But we do need to open this as administrator, which I forgot to do. So right click it or click on run as administrator. Now I'm just going to sign in to allow it. Okay, so here it is here. And now run something similar to this. So your C uses your name. So change your name to obviously your folder name. Now after running this, preview should work for those files. Now we can also try adjusting folders on network location settings. So this is for some network drive cases. If the file's on a network share, sometimes adding that share to trusted sites or local internet in the internet options, security can reduce the bloat. But note, this is more complex and may have organization security implications. So if you want me to get more into that, I can. So yeah, that's a couple of different fixes what we can try.